Well, this is Beer Flight's Chopper Chick and myself heading into Born Free. Those guys flew in from Arizona and rented a bike from Eagle Riders. We had a great time, ate some great food, saw a bunch of great bikes. As you can see, the weather was beautiful. It was pretty darn hot at the show itself, but then in the evenings it cooled down and got damp. Coming from 117-degree Arizona, Shelly and Jesse were freezing their butts off. Amazingly, we only passed one police car, and the rest of the time I didn't see anybody at all. And as usual, at Born Free, there were no problems, everybody was chill, and we had a great time. So this is the road that actually leads into it. I might post the complete ride out because it is beautiful, but here I've cut out some of the ride just so I can show you the parking lot as we get inside to it, because it's pretty amazing. The show starts at 10, and I think we got there about noontime, so there's no traffic, as you can see. The cost to get into the show is just $25 a day, and considering there are several bands in addition to all the bikes, etc., it's pretty damn reasonable, and there's no charge for parking, so they really treat you right. While this is dirt, there's no real soft sand, so it's pretty easy riding. It's no big deal, even with that skinny tire I've got on the front of this thing. The 3 years that I've been here, it has not rained a drop. It's been hot and dry as can be, so mud has never been an issue. And if you notice from the videos, it's all the grounds are green and grassy, so it's not even dusty in the show area itself, just the parking lots. And rightfully so, motorcycles get priority parking and the cars head out back for a little bit longer walk. And as you'll see, there are plenty of bikes. There's no shortage there at all. After I give you a tour of the bikes, I have some video of me riding out of here and having a little bit of fun, and give you a few words of wisdom riding tips, so I hope you stick around for that. I'm happy to say that every year I've left my gear on the bike and it's never been touched. I didn't spend a lot of time in the parking lot this year, but as always, there are some great bikes out here. I'm always messing around on a bike. Not a lot, just like this, just kind of playing with it. You don't see me getting it sideways. But I want to remind my muscle memory what it feels like when a bike slides. So by getting on it at a reasonable amount, when I got it under control, I'm paying attention, I know what I'm doing. It's a great way for me to practice and stay sharp. I do it all the time. I do stuff like stop at a stop sign when I'm the only one at a four-way, don't put my feet down, see if I can keep that balance, and then go ahead, no touch. That's the kind of stuff that keeps you sharp. Brake extra hard, when nobody's behind you. Doing that shit all the time means you're going to be ready to do it when it matters. And that's really my point on all these tips I give. I want people to be comfortable, enjoy riding, and stay safe. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.